This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 32G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, microwave, air conditioning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, awning, smoke detector, TV, DVD player, skylight, refrigerator, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 32G is 9,374 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.